Hello, day number 12 and the last day in 2025. It was a long year for me, at least. I haven't done my really yearly review yet. I have a Notion document that I've been filling since 2020, I believe. And it's actually very, very, very eye-opening. Especially when I first started doing this yearly habit. It really opened my eyes on a lot of things, on where I spend my energy, where I spend my time, the people I hang out with, people who push me forward, and people also who pull me backwards. And I recommend everyone to do a yearly review. I'm going to be posting the link, by the way. And I strongly recommend you guys check it out. It's been a very long year for me. Well, work-wise, I shut down my company and the team as well. Everyone went their own ways. Unfortunately, we did work a lot. We did make a lot of progress on our product that, well, marketing wise, it's really hard to get people to use your product and pay you too. Swimming wise, I'm actually happy because I have participated in my first competition for amateurs, and I got 5 medals, surprisingly, 2 silvers and 3 bronze medals. And I discovered that my breaststroke is actually not bad at all, and that's why I'm focusing on keeping to improve it. Also, some work updates. So I got back to freelancing, and realizing that the market is in a very weird state. But still, there are opportunities, not as abundant as it was 2 or 3 years ago. But software engineering after ChatGPT is just something very, very different. The whole market has been disrupted heavily. What else? Quran wise, I'm actually very happy also with my journey in learning Quran. So I have started to do muraja, and I have been tracking my progress in a notebook. I'll share that as well. And it has been helping me tremendously. I've been always struggling with muraja, but since I started to track everything, it got much easier. And for next year, I'll definitely keep working on my 3 main axes, and I also just added another axe, which is social media, in the sense of sharing what I know, in the hopes of attracting similar people, so that we sort of create a community together, help each other. And this mindset shift helped me a lot to start, because I don't really need to create fancy videos edited, with all animations and all that stuff. I just started to shoot these raw videos where I talk, and it got much easier. I didn't struggle to keep up with posting daily videos as I did last year with the shorts. The shorts, they were demanding, and I had to do the editing, the scripting, and to fit everything within a minute and all that stuff. It was taking me some time, even though that there was a way to cut that video thing in under 1 hour, but it was always time consuming for me. Still, this format is what I prefer for now. So yeah, for next year, I have 4 axes. First axe is work and entrepreneurship. So for now, I'm freelancing still. I'll probably, well, I'm open for full-time jobs if the opportunity is interesting. Other than that, I'll keep working on building products and learning also how to market them. That's the first axe. Second axe is Quran, and I will keep learning and doing the refreshing or the muraja. Third axe is swimming. I have some targets in my mind that I have to reach with sprints in freestyle and breaststroke. I'll also improve my long distance swimming by improving my 100-meter, what's it called? I forgot. Anyways, but my speed, my pace, yeah, my pace for 100 meters. And the fourth axe is social media. So I have to keep doing this and also improve, more importantly, because so far I'm just shooting some raw videos, even though it can work still, since I'm posting mostly on YouTube. YouTube is a click game with thumbnails and all that stuff, so I have to learn it and improve in the game. That's it. Anyways, it's a long video, this one, because it's a yearly sort of review. Even though I haven't gotten through my review in details yet, but roughly this is what I have, because I've already skimmed through my quarterly reviews. It makes it much easier to know what I have done in this year. So yeah, if you stick till this far, thank you for watching till the end of the video, and hope to see you soon. So yeah, bye.